Are you gonna cop these Snap FXs? I know I'm late to the game. I tried to get them, it didn't work out. But look, we have them here now, and I bet that you're wondering like what my opinion is of this trimmer. Let's hop right into it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the scenery is a little bit different. I've been working on my office for a little bit and it's been stressful, and I think I'll finally have it. Let me know down in the comments if you think this setup is pretty dope. And if there's anything that I can change, let me know. Feedback's always appreciated. But look, we got a good video for you guys today. I'm gonna review the Snap FX trimmer, and I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest with you. Is it a cop, or just don't get it, don't even waste your money? Pretty much, this trimmer is like the FX regular. Well, the box open. Look, in this review, we gotta answer 3 simple questions. Is it worth the price point? Does it pack the same power as the original FX? And the #1 question is, do you cop this trimmer or not? So let's get to the nitty gritty and let's check out what's in the box. If you had noticed, I already opened the box up, but I put it back in there just so it can look pretty for the video. The packaging, honestly, I feel like it is better than the trimmer itself. So you got 2 batteries to go with this trimmer. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit difficult to get this trimmer out of the box. Everything was pretty much tightly packaged in here, but not really a problem. You got the trimmer. It feels light without the battery, but with the battery, a little bit different. Okay, I'm gonna sit this stuff to the side. And you got the nice little charging pack. You got your screwdriver that it comes with. You got your blade alignment tool that it also comes with. And they give you an extra like bracket that goes with the trimmer. I haven't found any issues with those brackets being bad, but I also do find the spring to be bad more so on the trimmer than it is the bracket itself. And of course you get a nice little Allen wrench screwdriver. The charging stand, man, this charging stand is beautiful, but it is bulky. So make sure you have enough room on your station to put this trimmer combo there. With all these new clippers, that 245 mat is becoming more and more unuseful now, just because they keep releasing new clippers at the new clippers, and it's just the way that the industry is going. So let's hop into the specs. This trimmer comes with the DLC 2.0 blade. You guys probably can't see it, but I'm pretty sure you know what blade I'm talking about. To be honest, I don't know why babyliss has all these different blades. I honestly don't know what each of them do and if there are major differences. Maybe I should probably test them all, and I might drop another video breaking down all 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 of the blades that they've made. It comes with an all metal housing, just kind of like what all the other FX trimmers come with. And keep in mind, FX trimmer, not the FX3. It has a unique removable hair pocket. I think that's, honestly, that's game changing. With everything being like so skeleton wise, they just made skeleton 2.0 by putting that hair pocket on there. And it's magnetic. It also comes with a new high torque 7200 RPM motor. And yes, I wish I could test it, but I don't know how we can do that. If you know how, let me know, please. Please let me know down below. These rechargeable batteries come with an LED light indicator. I did have an issue with the LED light. As soon as I put the battery in, it would turn completely red. Right after I finished charging it like all night for days, and it still would show that, but it would still run as if it had so much power in it. I don't know if that's just a recall, or they having issues with it with anybody else. If you have any issues, I would love to know. I've had issues like this with babyliss before in the past, and they just replaced it. They have really good customer service, so I can't complain there. But what are the cons of this trimmer? Like I mentioned before, this battery station, it's a little bit bulky, so it will take up a lot of room on your station. For all you clean freaks out there, they like to keep their station as clean and tidy as possible. This may be an issue for you. These battery clips are a little bit snug, so a little bit tougher to get them in and out of the trimmer. Not really a problem. Hopefully it loosens up over time. Only time will tell if that will actually happen. And it could be a con for some, but not for most. We talked about it a little bit earlier where like the 245 mat is becoming more and more unusable. I don't know what else to do. 245, they're gonna have to do something where they're gonna have to step their game up just a little bit more. Like, how are they gonna keep up? Like, I'm missing clips for my Gamma clippers. Now, some of them are mixed use where I can use them with the Ergo, but now they have like the Alpha and things like that out there. So, you know, gotta keep up. There's not many cons to this clipper, only because it's pretty much the same as the FX, just with a removable battery. I haven't noticed any real noticeable differences between this and the FX. Besides, the one main key difference that I noticed is that this trimmer is slightly longer. So when shaping up underneath the neck, the tail end of it seems to touch the person's collarbone. A little bit harder to reach in those tighter areas, but other than that, there's really not that many cons to this trimmer if you really enjoy having the FX trimmer. The only main key differences to this trimmer is the fact that it's got removable battery, it's got the removable hair pocket, and the trimmer is longer than the normal original FX trimmer. Look, check this video of this trimmer in action. And yes, my trimmers are zero gap. My final thoughts. This trimmer, is it worth it for the price point of $300? And my answer, personally, in my opinion, would be no. I would spend $300 elsewhere. I would spend it on a Master, I would spend it on an Oster Fast Feed, I would spend it on an FX trimmer, which you can buy 2 of them for the price of 1. Who is this trimmer for? I can't really say who this trimmer is for. It could be for the ones that want to have the best of the best trimmer out there, the most expensive trimmer out there on the market today. That's who this is for. Or this could be for the person that is on the go and does a lot of house calls and is a mobile barber. Due to the fact that you can replace the battery, that's significant. You get double the runtime, triple the runtime off of these batteries with that. Overall, I will have to say that this is a not cop for me. Yeah, I know I have it, I already copped it, but I'm actually debating on selling it. So let me know down in the comments if you're interested. If you haven't already, please like this video. Please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I drop more videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed the setup back here. I'm really loving it, even just looking at myself through this camera screen. It looks amazing. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Hope I gave you enough detail. Hope I gave you my best opinion possible of this trimmer, but it's an FX. You know, it's the normal of the norm. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on your next one.